Greetings, peoples, folks, and space aliens. I'm in Winona, in front of the Video Vision. That's where you turn to go. Actually, you pass it and then you turn to go to these trails, supposedly. But they got the road closed because they got some run going on this morning. So I had to park in an auxiliary parking lot over here. I think the trails are right up in there. I'm seeing some residential property. But I come up here and they took away the road closed signs. So I'm like, what the hell? So I'll have a little bit of a downhill to go back to my car. I'm okay with that. All right, so I'm having all kinds of issues today. Apparently I go this way. So I'm just up the trail a little ways. I'm definitely not prepared, that's for sure. This looks like it's gonna be kind of easy, low rolling trails. I'm actually up quite a ways. Right down there, I was just on that road, and that's probably almost 2 stories down. So, and the other trail is up along there. So, my misbehaving SD card and the Gnats. But I'm here, I'm riding. And it is actually quite rugged. And this is actually kind of nice. It's a one-way system. So, yeah, there's a lot of trails here, so I'll be here for a while doing stuff. I don't think there's any flow or technical stuff or whatever, but I did see a sign that said low flow or something like that, so I guess we'll find out. It's pretty rugged, like I said before. All right, so my SD card is being stupid. I changed back to 1440, so I got the narrower. I was shooting at 1080 30 frames, but now I'm shooting at 1440, and I don't know if that's gonna help or not. And I'm trying to get as much of this as I can on action cam. I've already spent. These trails are up and down, but more up than down. I'm guessing that it's gonna be like that the whole time I'm here. Oh boy. SD card, don't fail me now. Here's the downhill. Now that, oh, it goes down and up again. Oh my gosh. So apparently, I'm gonna do this black diamond. Because I did a black, say I did a black diamond. And I do not know what to expect. Oh, other than, oh my gosh. This is a trail. Oh, I'm going back the other way on the black diamond. Oh my gosh, these trails are bonkers. All right, so. All right, I'm gonna take this and go back. I think there's another lower trail that goes around. It might be a little easier. Not that I'm completely against this, but oh yeah. Oh, I don't care about down trees. That feels so good. I get away from the gnats. Okay, I'm gonna take a right and go down this way, because this goes back around, I think. Wow, this is, okay, see, now I'm on the backside. That's pretty cool. There are a lot of trails here, people. Oh, I think I walked in some stinging weed. Wow. All right, I'm doing this again. This is actually the return loop. I just biked up this. I want to get away from it. If there's anything I want to get away from, the stupid stinking gnats. I went that way. Now I'm going this way. Oh, it feels so good to move. Now there's a big fallen tree right here. So I'm gonna see if I can go over this side here. Not quite. All right, so we're starting from the fallen tree now. Yeah, these trails are, oh my gosh, they are crazy. But it's kind of like, yeah, it's kind of like yuck, yes. It's kind of like an extreme version. This is where I came out. This is a while ago. I went back that way. It's kind of like an extreme version of 7 Mile in Mankato. They're nice and wide and open, but holy cow! Yeah, no, I'm definitely heading back to the car. So that's gonna conclude my Holzinger Lodge. Cemetery down there. Okay, cut across right there. Yeah, no, this is almost worth the reward of all the plundering back here. They've done some. No, that's a big cemetery. That's interesting. And they've done some tree work back here for sure. Holy cow! And the nature has done some tree work too, like right there. Oh, wow! This is actually pretty cool. This is actually pretty cool. Take some of these logs and make some wooden features with them. Oh boy, here we go. It's almost like a jump right there. Oh! Oh! Yeah. It's fallen trees of unbelievable craziness. I'm getting some chatter. Oh, there we go. This is the parking lot of unsurpassed awesomeness. Okay. Holzinger Lodge. Oh, they got a bathroom here. That's good. Now, I'm back to the car now. There was a drop up here. I don't know if I want to do it or not. And they're like, just do it, man. You know where it is, where I want to go off. Oh, that's not bad. That was like the minimum. Well, that's Holzinger Lodge. Yeah, you could go off. I went just to the left.